5 o'clock. It is time now for the weather magician with PJ Wiggins, the evening report. Tuesday, September 10th, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 5 o'clock in North Massachusetts. We got a temperature of 74 degrees with a humidity of 79%.
Will go into effect
with a wind speed
tomorrow until 6
southwest about 8 miles per hour, barometer 3.07 inches, 2.67 degrees, and a visibility 10 miles. Okay, let us take a look at our radar, and it shows a couple of little patches of rain showers off the Massachusetts coastline and off the Portland, Maine coastline here.
2 points are up over 70, so it's oppressive air.
And a lot of rain showers in northern New Brunswick, stretching off Nova Scotia. A couple of patches of rain showers in northeastern Ontario down in western Quebec. Another line of rain showers in central UP, Michigan down to central Wisconsin. Another patches of rain showers and storms in southern Indiana, down in western Kentucky, down in western Tennessee, down from Mississippi, down in Louisiana. Popcorn cluster showers and storms around the Gulf Coast states and stretching in the southeastern states. And stretching down into all of Texas there, and another patches of rain showers and storms in northern Mexico, down through New Mexico, down through western Colorado, down to southern Wyoming, down through northern Nebraska, down to southeastern South Dakota and southwest Minnesota. Another patches of rain, showers and storms in western Arizona, down to eastern California, down to southern Nevada, down to southern Utah.
Senators who attended the briefing say the president now wants to delay.
Okay, let's take a look at our satellite open. It shows
President Obama arrived on
patches of clouds covering New England, stretching in Atlantic Canada, and stretching through northern Canada down to northern Ontario, down into Manitoba, down covering the Hudson Bay, and stretching down through northern UP, Michigan, down through Minnesota, down through the Dakotas, down through Wyoming, and down through Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, down to Arizona, down to eastern California, down through Mexico, and stretch down for Texas and Oklahoma, stretch down Louisiana. A couple of patches of clouds down in southern Illinois and Indiana, stretch down for western Kentucky and Tennessee, down for northeast Mississippi. Another patches of clouds in southern Florida and then off of the Florida coastline. Okay, we are watching 2 tropical storms in the Atlantic here. Tropical storm Gabrielle, movement 10 miles per hour, 360 degrees, wind speed 60 miles per hour, gusting up to 70 miles per hour, pressure 1,004 millibars.
America's just not buying what you're selling at this time.
Invest 93L, movement 5 miles per hour to 75 degrees, wind speed 25 miles, wind gust not available.
Then play the politics. Okay, how about this work, Secretary?
Secretary of State John.
Tropical storm Humberto, movement 8 miles per hour, 310 degrees, wind speed 70 miles per hour, wind gust 85 miles per hour. And now it is taking a direction toward the west, toward the Caribbean.
That has to be real, has to be memorable.
Category 1 hurricane, and now it's going to be a tropical storm after the hurricane at about Sunday at 2. Oi, we are under a heat advisory tomorrow from 1 to 6 p.m.
Today, Senator Ed Markey revealed his position on military force in Syria.
Heat advisory in effect from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a heat advisory which is in effect from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. Location: Eastern
the effects of a strike,
Massachusetts and nearby southern New England and southern New Hampshire. This includes the cities of Framingham, Lowell, Lawrence, Gloucester, Foxborough, Norwood, Cambridge, Boston, Quincy, Taunton, Brockton, Plymouth, Manchester, and Nashua. As excessive heat and humidity will overspread the region Wednesday with the highest temperatures and highest humidity likely occurring across eastern Massachusetts and nearby southern New England and southern New Hampshire. This includes the greater Boston area where actual air temperatures will be soaring in the mid-90s. However, with high humidity you'll feel like 100 and 104 degrees. A heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a situation in which heat illnesses are possible. Avoid prolonged work in the sun and importantly ventilated areas. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned environment, stay out of the sun, and check in on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions if you work and spend time outside when possible. We schedule strenuous activities early morning or evening, knowing signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear light and weight and loose fitting clothing and when possible, and drink plenty of water. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. When no come by, heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
We have a lot of good running backs, a lot of good receivers.
Tonight, patchy fog after midnight. Otherwise, most clouds skies will low in 68 degrees. Southwest wind about 6 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday, a hot one on tap. Patchy fog before 11 a.m. Otherwise, part of the sun skies and the clouds becoming sunny with high near 91 degrees. Southwest
Case of West Nile virus this
wind about 6 to
infected lives in Chester.
10 miles per hour. Wednesday night, isolated showers before
West Nile was
between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. Then intentional showers and thunderstorms up to 5 a.m. Patchy fog after 1 a.m. Otherwise, part of the skies low in 71 degrees. South wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour. Precipitation 30%. Thursday, a change of showers and thunderstorms. Patchy fog before 9 a.m. Otherwise, most of the night skies high near 88 degrees. Southwest wind about 6 to 11 miles per hour. Precipitation 30%. Rainfall amounts of less than 10 checks about amounts possible in thunderstorms. Thursday night, showers likely with possible thunderstorms after 2 a.m. Thunderstorms produce heavy rain. Mostly clouds skies along 6-7 degrees. Southwest wind about 7 to 9 miles per hour. Precipitation is 70%. New rainfall amounts between a quarter and a half an inch possible. Fridays, showers and thunderstorms likely before 10 a.m. Then a chance of showers. Hot sand skies high near 78 degrees. Chance of precipitation 60%. New rainfall amounts between the 10 and a quarter inch checks about what's possible in thunderstorms. Friday night, hot clouds skies along 48 degrees. Saturday, most night skies high near 68 degrees. Saturday night, clear skies will on 43 degrees. Sunday, sunny skies high near 72 degrees. Sunday night, hot clouds skies on 50 degrees. Monday, mostly sunny skies high near 73 degrees. Monday night, hot clouds skies on 49 degrees. And Tuesday, sunny skies with high near 69 degrees. Peter's word of phrase of the day, of the evening. A little sticky tonight and a hot one on tap for tomorrow. This is BJ. What's up? You have a good day, what a good positive attitude, and a good evening.